Yo, what's going on? Yo, let's get some likes in this video, guys. Let's get 50 likes, man. I like to see 50 likes in this video. Anything more would be better. If I don't get 50 likes, then I don't know. Maybe I take off next week. I probably won't do no videos for a while. You know what I'm saying? So, kind of blackmailing y'all to give me some likes up in here. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just messing with y'all. But yeah, like the video if you can, please. It's just little click button right there, and subscribe if you haven't, man. If you haven't subscribed, then I don't know what's going on, but subscribe. Just hit that button. Takes it 1 second. I want to get a shout out to DUV, the recruiting department, and one of the biggest agency here at Landstar. And you guys know if you guys gonna apply through them. I got the description on the bottom. Really cool people. Plus, you can also book a whole week of loads through them. So that's pretty cool, and just that's pretty cool. So good agency, good agency. So let's check a couple searches here. Jessup, Maryland. Wanted to do van and flatbed. Remember, if you guys want to search, let me know. It's gonna be a van or flatbed. Some people be like, just do me a search, but 80% of the time it's van, so I just put down van. But this guy wanted to do van or flatbed, so that's what I'm doing. Let's see what we got here. Over 100 loads here. Wow, look at that. Damn. $2,200 going to Mansfield, Mass. That's not bad. Remember, guys, this $2,200. You getting 65% of that load. So, to get the answer, just $2,200 times 0.65, and your answer should be. I need a calculator. It's about $1,500. That's how much you're making off this load, and then the rest goes to Landstar. They get 35% of the load. There's no fuel surcharge here yet, but once you call the agent, you can ask them how much is the fuel surcharge. Sometimes they add it with the line haul, but once you get your freight bill, it's gonna be separated. And remember, you get 100% of that. Something like this, I'll probably ask for tolls, like 100, 150 bucks, and you get 100% of that too. So that's not that bad. That's actually not a bad load. Let's see what's coming out of there. Now, if you wanted to grab something coming back, you could do the Rocky Hill to Sterling, Virginia. Some people go up there and come back empty, or you could do the Buffalo load, which is really good. I got 4 days on. I don't know what's up with that though. Always look at the dates. But yeah, not bad. That's not, it's still not bad. I mean, the 4 days. You probably gotta call them up and they gotta schedule. You probably could deliver a day early or something. But shit, that's not a bad load right there. All right, let's go back. The Cleveland, Ohio load, man, that's a, oh wow. Columbus, Whitehall, Medina, Cleveland. Wow. Yeah, you getting paid for stops. Wow, look. Wow. Give me a second. Whew. All right, so line haul is 1,100. It's a service of $1,000. So you're getting all that extra service money is all yours. So, and plus you getting, wow. So this load is gonna be to the truck. You might make $1,500-$1,600, and it's for 3 days, 3 days or 2 days. So just a lot of stops here. 3 days. So look after hours. Yeah. So that's okay load, but that's a lot of stops. I'm not feeling that. I'd rather just do this one right here. Winchester to Syracuse, but this is flatbed, so that the drivers ask for flatbed or van, but just giving them different options. That's not a bad load for flatbed. And remember, flatbed gets 73 or 74% of the load, which is, they deserve it. Guys, they bust they behind. You know what I'm saying? And they deserve it. So I'm gonna scroll down real quick. If you guys don't know what's the difference, I mean, this is 53 van, and FL is flats, and SD is step deck. So when you guys scroll down, you guys can see what's going on. All right. Not bad, not bad. At least the rates are going high. At least we're not seeing nothing that crazy, but at least there's some good stuff here. You know, there's some good stuff here, guys. I think it's getting better. I think it's getting pretty better. Let's see, Chicago. I got one of my buddies just came over. You know, and let me tell you something. At the beginning, it gets a little bit, you know, overwhelming. You know, it's a lot of stuff you gotta go through, but once you know you handle everything and you figure out everything is, and if you got some good help, you be good. Uh, Today he got his really his, I won't say his first real paycheck because, you know, once you start, you got the Dutchess coming in, so you might be in the negative. So he was running local. I think he stood out one day, and it was about, I think he net anywhere from like $2,500, but then he got to take off fuel and stuff like that. But he was local, and I think it's maybe 3 or 4 days of work, which it wasn't that bad, and you know it wasn't that bad, man. One of my agents looked out for him. I want to give him a shout out too. He's a cool agent. Uh, he's a good guy, man. Real good guy. But yeah, man, he's gonna do real good. I mean, he been doing a lot of local stuff, and he's making pretty good money. Uh, I think the other day was not yesterday, the day before yesterday. He had 2 loads and local stuff, and I think everything was like he made over $800 or whatever, and the stuff wasn't too crazy far, you know, but it wasn't that bad, man. It wasn't that bad. So he's doing good. You know, he's gonna start doing better, man. You know, he just started. You know, at least he's motivated to work. You know, uh, so you know, happy for that. But let's scroll down here. This is my next search. Want to check Chicago. Let's see what we got. Okay. Not too bad. Let's check Bowlingtown, New Jersey. Oh, 72 loads out of Bowlingtown, New Jersey. Whew. Philadelphia, okay. Newark to Fort Lauderdale. I don't even gotta look at it. That's GAO probably. Yeah, that's FedEx loads. Uh, FedEx loads, man. Shit. Dropping hooks, both ends, teams. That's where the money's at, guys. That's where the money's at. That's what they say, but don't want to ride with nobody else in my truck, so I'm good. Let's keep going down. Oh, not bad. Wilmington, Delaware to Middletown, New York. $1,100 for 172 miles. Not that bad. Burlington, New Jersey to Deer Park, New York. 861 for 160 miles. Yeah, I'll probably do that low too. Let's go back real quick. Let me scroll down a little bit more. Yeah, man. Like my videos if you can. Just quick little hit the button real quick. You know, I really appreciate that, guys. I like to get more likes if I can, you know. Or else maybe, you know, YouTube might cancel my channel or something. They might tell me, hey, I'm not getting enough views or likes, and you know, so you know, help me out. You know, look out for a brother. Yeah, look, 36,292 loads. So that's not bad. Let's click on. Let's see what's the good stuff coming out of there. Let's see some good loads coming out of it. Let's put $4 a mile and anywhere. Let's see what we got. Just a lot of loads. Oh, damn. Oh, Ontario. Wow, Clearwater, Florida to Ontario. Hey, if you don't mind going up there, this is a damn, wide load. All right, so you're gonna need some permits and stuff like that. Don't know how much that's gonna cost you because that is not my field. I mean, I did oversized airplane wings loads before 7-8 years ago, but the permits was given to me. I don't know how much they cost, but this is a really good load. $7,800. Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna scroll down. Just scroll down, see what they got. Not that bad. I mean, at least the rates are going high, man. Think positive. Think positive. Don't think negative, or else it's just that's not good for you guys. That's not good. But this is it, man. This is it. You guys enjoyed your weekend. I'm gonna see if I could go and see Lion King. You know what I'm saying? All you guys, 30 years and up. Lion King was a thing back in the day, man. So go watch it with your kids and enjoy the rest of the weekend, guys. Thank you. Be safe.